Why they don't love you like I do. A love letter from your healthy food. Senior health tips. Seniors, stop scrolling. Close your eyes for a moment and listen. Can you hear it? That gentle rhythm, your heartbeat. It's been with you through every smile, every tear, every long night. Your body has loved you faithfully for over 60, 70, maybe 80 years, even when you didn't love it back. When you fed it junk food, it stayed silent. When you skipped meals, it adapted. When you filled it with sugar and stress, it still worked hard to keep you alive. But lately, your body has been whispering, "Why don't you love me the way I love you?" This isn't a diet video. It's a love story between you and the body that never gave up on you. Let's talk about how food can either break that love or heal it forever. Think about it. Your heart never took a single day off. Your lungs never stopped breathing, not even while you slept. Your bones carried you from your first steps to your golden years. That's real love. Constant, patient, unconditional. But even love has limits. Decades of processed food, refined sugar, and artificial flavors start to wear it down. Your body grows tired, not because it's old, but because it's hungry for love. And when you finally start feeding it real food, vegetables, fruits, clean water, natural fats, it doesn't hold a grudge. It forgives instantly and begins to heal. Now, remember to like the video, subscribe to Green Health, and turn on your notification bell to get updates on our newest uploads. What they don't give you. They, the fast foods, the sodas, the chips, they look tempting, smell delicious, and give instant satisfaction. But like toxic relationships, their love fades fast. They raise your blood sugar, weaken your heart, inflame your joints, and leave you craving more. Your real lovers, spinach, avocado, turmeric, salmon, garlic, and berries, don't make loud promises. They heal quietly, repairing your cells, calming inflammation, and balancing your hormones. That's what love is supposed to feel like. Gentle, patient, healing. The morning love ritual. Every morning is a new chance to say, "I love you" to your body. Instead of rushing for coffee and pastries, start your day with warm lemon water. It wakes your liver and flushes toxins. Add oats with banana and cinnamon for sustained energy. Include a handful of almonds or walnuts for brain and joint health. These small acts aren't just habits. They're little love letters your body reads every day. Your body responds with clarity, calmness, and vitality. It's like hearing your own cells say, "Thank you for remembering me." Healing isn't punishment, it's love. So many people treat healthy eating like a chore. They say, "I can't eat this. I'm on a diet." But real healing isn't about deprivation. It's about devotion. When you nourish yourself with care, you're saying, "I'm worth the effort." Each meal becomes an act of love. Colorful salads, homemade soups, herbal teas. Healing is not boring. It's the art of loving yourself enough to slow down and choose better. The hidden love thieves. There are silent destroyers of health hiding in plain sight. Refined sugar, trans fats, and processed oils. They taste sweet, but steal your energy, cloud your mind, and inflame your joints. Every spoonful of sugar creates chaos in your blood. It makes your pancreas overwork and weakens your immune system. But when you replace them with nature's sweetness, honey, fruits, dates, and whole grains, your body begins to glow again. Energy returns, sleep deepens, your skin softens. The difference is like night and day because real food doesn't just fill you, it fulfills you. The emotional connection between food and mood. Food isn't just fuel, it's emotion. What you eat can lift your spirit or drag it down. Processed foods increase stress hormones, while healthy fats, omega-3s, and antioxidants improve your mood and mental clarity. Ever noticed how a warm bowl of vegetable soup feels like comfort? Or how a smoothie with berries and spinach gives instant calm? That's your brain responding to love. Your gut and mind are connected. When one heals, so does the other. A promise for the rest of your life. Your body isn't your enemy, it's your oldest friend. It has scars, wrinkles, and stories, but it's still here, asking for just one thing, your love. So next time you sit down to eat, pause. Look at your plate and ask yourself, does this meal love me back? Because those sugary snacks, that greasy fast food, they don't love you like I do. Your healthy choices, your fresh meals, your healing herbs are whispering softly, I want to see you live longer. I want to see you dance again. I want to see you smile tomorrow. That's real love, and it's been waiting for you all along. The Creator's perfect design. Before there were supplements, pills, or fancy diets, there was nature. And before nature, there was God. He designed your body with breathtaking wisdom, a heart that beats without asking, lungs that breathe while you sleep, and a mind that can think, love, and create. He filled the earth with everything your body would ever need. Fruits that cleanse, herbs that heal, grains that sustain, and waters that refresh. When you eat healthy, you're not just caring for your body, you're honoring the one who made it. Every bite of wholesome food is a quiet thank you to God. Every time you choose water over soda, greens over junk, you're saying, Lord, thank you for this temple. Help me take care of it. Because the body isn't just a machine, it's a sacred gift, and caring for it with love is an act of worship. So eat with gratitude, live with purpose, and remember, the same God who made your body also made the food to keep it alive, strong, and full of joy. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, green health cares.